going?
Hi, it's Amy. Today is one day before the show starts. Right now, I'm outside of my work, right over there. I work until 11:30 midnight tonight, so it's gonna be a long night. And then tomorrow is the first day of the show. I'm gonna take you through a typical day of my life, which involves me going to I'm going to be filming a little thing. It's like a trade show training video. It's like corporate sales videos, that sort of thing. And I'm just gonna show you my house and show you what my neighborhood looks like and where I like to go eat and what me and my boyfriend do whenever we're just hanging out and not really like doing anything, just like, I don't know. Anthony, what do we normally do? Like yesterday we played Scope Off for a while. Let's play cards. Video
We
games.
usually lay about.
Yeah. We're pretty lazy when we're not working. We just kind of hang out at the house. We don't really go out too much. Yeah, and I can show you my book, show you some of my previous work, because you guys haven't seen that yet. That's about it. The past few days we've been pretty busy. Yesterday we just laid around, and the day before the water park was awesome. We were really tired though. We couldn't shoot any film.
No, we can't. We can't spend a night anywhere. We have 7 nights long.
There's a lot of water. Might drown the camera. And after the Bronx Zoo the day before, we went and saw Star Trek, which was really awesome. And then Anthony took me to dinner on Fridays. It was a really great date. Baby, do you have anything to add?
No, not really.
Are you excited about tomorrow, honey?
I know you are, and I'm excited for you.
Tomorrow, Anthony has his first day of being promoted. What's your new job title?
Supervisor.
Supervisor, woohoo! Hey, baby.
Hey.
So are you really excited about tomorrow?
No.
Being a supervisor?
More nervous than excited.
More nervous than excited. Your shift's pretty short though, right?
No.
How long is your shift?
8.5 hours.
Oh my gosh, that's like a long training shift. I
Yeah.
think you'll do great. You know what you're doing and you're awesome at your job.
You know it.
Oh, I do know it. Anthony actually trained me at work. That's how we met each other. He's an amazing teacher as well. He really knows what he's doing. He's a great guy. So, alright, well, over and out.
Bye.
Bye.